Are you jumping? Jump, 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 jump. Do you feel the wind? Do you feel the wind? Sit down, yeah. Hey, I thought I said to sit down. Sit down. What's in your mouth? Can you spit out? Yeah, thank you. Where are you going? You gonna go get Penny? Where's Penny? They're right there, yep. You gonna tickle her? Say tickle, 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 tickle. Tell her say boo. Penny, he's saying boo. Michael, say boo. Where's Michael? Where's Michael? Boo. Where's Michael? Where's Michael? Whoa! Goodness. Careful, Penny. Where's Michael? Boo.
Mom, I'm gonna scoot this closer to the table. I did it! Oh my God, into the couch!
Oh yeah?
Yeah!
What did you do?
I hopped on the table, then jumped on the couch.
My kids are crazy. No, we don't jump on the couch. Nope. Please.
No, I would jump.
Yes, Mom.
On the table, then off the couch.
No.
No. Just like this.
I saw it. Please don't do it. No.
Oh, I like to do
You can get the beanbag.
But I won't jump on the pie.
Don't do it again.
Okay.
Thank you. Good job, Michael.
I can jump off the chairs.
Oh yeah? Onto the floor? Careful that the chair doesn't fall.
Mom, watch this.
I'm watching. You almost landed on your brother, sweetie. Hi. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Do you get